Running OSNAPS are really useful in this program. If you get tired of shifting and right click, you can also use a running OSNAP, or the ones that you like to use the most, and you can set those up so you don't have to always shift and right click. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get to the running OSNAP menu, and then we'll use some of them. One way you can get to the running OSNAP menu is if you hold down the shift button and do a right click. You go all the way down till you see the OSNAP settings, and a dialog box appears, and these are my running OSNAPs. So although I have endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, perpendicular, insertion, and extension selected, now those will select without me shifting and right clicking. I have to make sure that it's controlled by the F3 or the function 3 button, and it has a check in that box. So I'll go ahead and select OK. I'll start with a line, and I'm just going to input a line here to here and here. Go ahead and select Escape. Now if I come back to the line command, you'll notice that I don't have to shift and right click to get to those endpoints. I can click to this endpoint and just go to that endpoint. I'll select Escape. I'll do the same thing again. Line, endpoint to endpoint. So you can see running OSNAPs are really useful. Another way you can get to your running OSNAPs, if you don't quite remember or don't feel like shifting and right clicking, or you're a keyboard person, you can always type in DS, enter, and that'll bring you up to the drafting settings. And then you would also click on the Object Snap tab. The quickest way of getting to these running OSNAPs is if you come down to the bottom, and you should notice that you have a little blue square here with a little downward triangle that you can pick on, and it's a fly up. So I'm going to select that fly up next to it, and now I can click on what running OSNAPs I want to turn on. If I want to click to the OSNAP setting and bring open the dialog box again, I can do that. Key here is it's never a good idea to have all of these selected, mainly because it'll cipher between a whole lot of them that you're trying to select through. One other really quick shortcut in their OSNAPs is just in case if I go to the line command and I want to cycle through any of these, you can see I'm on the midpoint, but I actually want to get to the end point. And this is really simple on this one, but if I had a lot of other objects drawn on my screen, you can use the tab key to cycle through them. So all the ones that are on that line, my running OSNAPs will cycle through those. So for example, I can come here, and you can see that I'm just holding my cursor right there in the middle, and it will cycle through those. And remember, that's with the tab button.